Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Sorry it's been so long. The acoustics in this room, I swear, have changed. It's like an echo in here. Anyways, so without further ado, I don't want to do a whole bunch of chit chat. The palette that I used to create this look is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette, and it looks like this. So I recorded a tutorial on a look I posted last week, but I'm missing some clips. Let me look, make sure I'm recording. I am. So hopefully I'm not missing any clips in this one. So if you want to see how I created this look and you want to recreate it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Mwah! Bye. First, we're going to go in with my LA Girl Cosmetics green concealer to combat the redness that I typically have in my cheeks, and I'm also using this to cover up the pimples on my chin that I had right before I started this tutorial. Next, we're going to move on to foundation. Next, we're going to go in with my Tint Out of Ultra Real Foundation by Lancome. You see how quickly I got that out because in every video, you already know I stumble over it. And the color that I'm using is 425, and that's in Bis. I'm dotting this all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with my Makeup Addiction sponge. Next, I'm going to go in with LA Girl Cosmetics concealer, and I'm going in with Dark Mahogany and Cocoa, and I'm using two colors so I can get my perfect shade that I want. The Mahogany is too dark and it makes it look muddy, so I have to combine it with a lighter color to get the perfect match. And I'm going to blend this out with the same Makeup Addiction sponge. Next, I'm going to use the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in medium, and I'm going to highlight all of the areas where natural light hits my face, which is underneath my eyes, down the center of my nose, the middle of my forehead, and my chin, and using the same Makeup Addiction sponge to blend this out. I'm going to carve out that contour and tighten it up a bit. And I can't remember if this is a Real Technique sponge. I'm not sure. But I love the fact that it has a flat edge. It's perfect for sharpening and cutting out contours and the sides of your nose and such. Next, I'm going to take a face brush. And this is by Morphe. And I'm going to dust away that highlight underneath my eyes and the middle of my forehead and my chin. Next, I'm going to prime the eyes, and I'm using the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And I'm going to apply this with a concealer brush and then blend it out with my finger. And then we're going to go into eyeshadow. I lied. We're doing setting the contour first. So I'm using the Luscious Cosmetics Matte Drama palette, which I always use, and I'm using an angled brush to apply it to everywhere that I put that cream contour. And then I'm going to also use the Morphe MB3 brush to blend it out. Sorry, I didn't show you the shade that I was using in the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette, but I'm using the shade Credit. I'm only using 2 shades on this eye look, and crazy enough, for some reason, doing my face, well, applying my foundation and contour first, and then doing my eyeshadow afterwards, it seems to go by really quickly versus me usually doing it the other way around. I usually do eyebrows and eyes first, and then I apply my foundation, so maybe onto something. So taking a blending brush and using this in the outer crease of my eye and also blending it up into my crease. And I want to create a halo look today, so I'm going to also apply it to the inner corner of my eye. for the center of my eye, I'm going to be using Sponsored in that same palette, which is like a gorgeous iridescent green slash, you can kind of see a little bit of gold flake in there. And I'm going to just apply this on the center of my eye and then take that blending brush and blend out the edges where the brown and the green meet so it doesn't look so harsh. Popped on my eyelashes off camera, and now we're going to work on this bottom lash line. I'm going to be using a pencil brush and applying that same color credit that I applied on the inner corner and outer V of my eye, and using this on my waterline and then blending it out a bit. Next, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter palette. No, it's not a palette, it's just a highlighter. And I'm using this for my inner corner and also highlighting my Cupid's bow and down the center of my nose. After that, we're going to work on our lips, and I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie. I believe this is Soft Spoken Liquid Lip, and this is going to be my lip color for the day. And then after that, we are done. I believe I lost the clip where I put on my blush and my highlighter, but I use the same duo that I always use. The Pacifica Beauty Tender Hearted Blush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter to highlight. And then I just pop on some mascara on my lower lashes, and that's it. Thank you for watching.